Hello and thanks for watching. In this video, you will learn about how matter cycles through the biosphere. Before we talk about how matter flows through the biosphere, we should talk about what the biosphere is first. Remember that the prefix bio means life. A sphere is something that is shaped like a ball. In this case, we are talking about Earth. If we put those two terms together, we can understand that the biosphere is the sum of all living things on Earth, and including the parts specifically where Earth has living things on it. Living things are all over the land and waters of Earth. And also, we should talk about matter. What is matter? Well, matter is any physical substance that takes up space and has mass. Mass is similar to weight. So if a physical substance takes up space and weighs something, even if it's just a tiny amount, it is matter. Matter is basically the stuff that everything is made of. When thinking of matter, it's often helpful to think of the three states of matter: solids, liquids, and gases. All solids, liquids, and gases are matter. Most substances can exist in all three states if they get hot or cold enough. In this unit, when we refer to matter moving through Earth, we are referring to a few specific examples. One example is water. We have learned about how water, which is matter, moves through Earth in a cycle. It involves evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and runoff, and it happens over and over and over. The same molecules of water move through this cycle constantly. Another example we focus on in this unit is carbon and how it moves through the carbon cycle. Most often, oxygen is also paired with carbon when talking about these cycles because carbon and oxygen are constantly paired up as carbon dioxide, which is one atom of carbon and two atoms of oxygen. Much of the carbon and oxygen cycles involve living things taking in oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide, and plants taking in carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. In this unit, we have also learned about nitrogen and how it moves through the nitrogen cycle. Water, carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen are all examples of matter from this unit, and they all move through Earth in cycles. To summarize, matter moving through Earth is a cycle. A cycle is a series of events that repeat over and over, never ending. A cycle does not have a starting or ending point. It just keeps going forever. It is similar to a merry-go-round that would spin and spin on a playground. Something else to keep in mind is that matter is never created or destroyed. This means that new matter doesn't ever just show up on Earth from nothing, and we as humans can't make matter out of nothing, although we can take matter that we have and make cool stuff with it. Matter also does not leave or disappear or get completely destroyed and become nothing. Matter can move and it can change into different forms and become something else, but its movement can always be traced in a cycle.